This race is free for spectators as long as you're outside the fence. So if you want to see some real kart racing action, you come down here on Sunday and watch the finals. Watch the Rock Island Grand Prix because it's pretty unique.
Johannes Bus Service, proud sponsor
different kind of event.
And we thank Johannes
Karts are
Bus
fast.
Service for their outstanding support.
You get them come down here, you get to see 80, 90 mile an hour
Rock
karts.
Island Grand Prix.
They may even hit a little more than that in some cases.
Right.
Carter, we got the horn. Did you get stung by that one yet?
This year they narrowed up turn 5. Turn 5 is not as wide as it used to be.
I think that the horn's going to catch us down and start
If you look at the barriers right over there, they got them pushed out a ways. Been a few incidents on this corner because of it as the cars keep getting faster, or there's more entries, that's what you get.
That these guys are talking about.
Good action.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a quick grid walk.
A few karts with a crash. Yeah, almost got that one. That was close. I spun out here this morning.
Takes the lead. Austin Wilkins in second, Tim Getchin third. That is heartbreaking for Chase Jones, crashing out of the lead in turn number 2.
So the leader that had that big lead, he crashed out on turn 2, and so that, gave that pack. They're running now, they're running for the win. Well, that just upped the stakes for them.
The wildness of racing.
This kart's pretty loose. He's hanging on.
It's really unfortunate for him. And the biggest beneficiary of his race, LeBronte taking the lead, trying to extend his lead a little bit forward. Coming through.
Ironically, there's this big gap, and he's even running in
double
fourth.
checker flag waiting in the air for a race for the win. The 100cc King of the Rock. Tim gets
So down here on Sunday, we get a really nice crowd, especially in this back section.
With the crowd.
How the action is.
He is the king indeed.
And there's families of the racers. Some of them hang out back here and bring the canopies.
And great to have
You
that
get
young race
nice
band
crowd all the way
presenting
down
crowd.
through. Like I said before, it's free. Free to come and be a crowd.
That is the place to go.
If you want to be into the pits, you can buy a 1 or 2 day pit pass.
Their support of today's races, CNW Trucking.
Not expensive.
In fact, race fans, keep in mind all of the businesses and let them know that
right in there. I spun out right there this morning.
Roll on here. See how the sheets after 14 laps as they come back around.
There they come. Last lap. You guys that aren't running up front, you can see how unsettled the karts are sometimes when they come through here. They'll be coming through here pretty soon.
Followed by CG Barnes and Mike